Welcome back to our channel. In the world of motorcycles, every year brings innovations that redefine speed, power, and design. But only a select few rise above the rest to become truly extraordinary. Today, we're unveiling the 7 most incredible motorcycles of the year, machines that combine groundbreaking technology with breathtaking performance. Number 7. Ducati Desert X. The Ducati Desert X is a game-changing adventure motorcycle designed to conquer both rugged terrains and city streets with ease. At its heart is a 937cc Testa Stretta 11-degree engine that produces 110 horsepower and 92 newton-meters of torque, delivering smooth and reliable performance across various conditions. Its off-road capabilities are unmatched, thanks to the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, paired with fully adjustable long-travel suspension that ensures stability on uneven paths. With 6 versatile riding modes, including Enduro and Rally, the Desert X adapts effortlessly to challenging environments and weather. A 21 liters fuel tank offers impressive range, while the lightweight frame enhances maneuverability without sacrificing durability. The motorcycle features a 5-inch full-color TFT display integrated with Ducati's connectivity system for intuitive control and navigation. Rider comfort is prioritized with an ergonomic seat, adjustable windscreen, and slim tank design, allowing for extended rides with ease. Advanced safety features, such as cornering ABS and traction control, provide confidence and security for every journey. The Desert X's bold and rugged design, characterized by clean lines and a modern aesthetic, reflects its adventurous spirit. It is more than a motorcycle. It's an invitation to explore uncharted paths and experience the thrill of discovery. Number 6. Triumph Speed. Triple 1200RR. The Triumph Speed. Triple 1200RR merges retro cafe racer aesthetics with cutting-edge performance, creating a motorcycle that is both stylish and exhilarating. Powered by a commanding 1160cc inline-3 engine, it delivers 178 horsepower and 125 newton-meters of torque, ensuring a thrilling ride with swift acceleration and dynamic control. This bike features a lightweight chassis and semi-active Öhlins suspension, providing excellent handling and stability, whether you're carving through winding roads or speeding along straightaways. Its Brembo-style brakes offer exceptional stopping power, instilling confidence in high-performance scenarios. The Speed Triple 1200RR also incorporates advanced technology, including cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes, ensuring versatility and safety in varied conditions. Its aggressive yet elegant design showcases a sculpted fuel tank, single-round LED headlight, and a carbon fiber finish that reflects its premium craftsmanship. The ergonomics blend sporty posture with surprising comfort, making it suitable for both spirited rides and longer journeys. This motorcycle is not only a visual masterpiece, but also a symbol of engineering brilliance, combining heritage-inspired charm with state-of-the-art innovation. The Triumph Speed. Triple 1200RR is a dream machine for riders seeking a unique blend of nostalgia and modernity, offering unmatched performance and style. Number 5. Yamaha MT-10 SP. The Yamaha MT-10 SP is the ultimate blend of raw power and precision engineering, designed for riders who crave adrenaline-pumping performance with cutting-edge technology. At its core is a 998cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine, producing a staggering 165 horsepower and 112 newton-meters of torque, delivering explosive acceleration and impeccable throttle response. This hyper-naked bike is equipped with an Öhlins semi-active suspension system, which automatically adjusts to ensure exceptional handling and comfort, regardless of road conditions. Advanced rider aids, including a 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS, slide control, and multiple riding modes, enhance safety and confidence, offering control even during aggressive riding. Its lightweight aluminum frame provides superb agility and stability, while the ergonomics balance sporty aggression with rider comfort. The MT-10 SP's distinctive design, featuring an aggressive front fascia with twin LED headlights and sleek bodywork, gives it a bold, futuristic look that commands attention. A full-color TFT display ensures easy access to ride data, and Yamaha's quick shifter enhances seamless gear transitions for a smoother ride. With its combination of exhilarating performance, advanced technology, and striking aesthetics, the Yamaha MT-10 SP stands out as a true powerhouse in the hyper-naked segment. Number 4. Kawasaki Ninja H2. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 stands as a symbol of unparalleled performance and groundbreaking innovation, designed for riders who seek the ultimate thrill. At its heart is a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, producing an astonishing 239 horsepower and 141 newton-meters of torque, making it one of the most powerful motorcycles ever created. The advanced trellis frame, coupled with top-tier suspension components, ensures remarkable stability and agility, even at blistering speeds. Kawasaki's proprietary supercharger technology provides seamless power delivery, while features like a quick shifter and slipper clutch enhance the riding experience. Equipped with a high-resolution TFT display, the Ninja H2 offers comprehensive riding data and connects seamlessly with Kawasaki's Rideology app. Its electronics package includes traction control, cornering ABS, launch control, and multiple riding modes, providing both safety and adaptability for varied conditions. Aesthetically, the Ninja H2 is a masterpiece. With its angular bodywork, mirror finish paint, and aerodynamic design that slices through the air with precision. The unique, single-sided swing arm adds to its exclusivity and engineering brilliance. Rider comfort is not overlooked, with thoughtful ergonomics that balance aggressive posture with long-distance capability. The Ninja H2 is more than just a machine. It's a statement of Kawasaki's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and technology. Number 3. BMW M1000RR. The BMW M1000RR stands at the forefront of superbike innovation, offering a perfect synergy of power, precision, and racing excellence. Beneath its striking exterior lies a 999cc inline-4 engine that delivers an extraordinary 205 horsepower and 113 newton-meters of torque, ensuring exhilarating speed and seamless performance. This motorcycle has been designed with aerodynamics in mind, featuring carbon fiber winglets that generate downforce at high speeds, enhancing stability and control during aggressive riding. The lightweight frame further contributes to its agility, allowing it to tackle corners and straights with razor-sharp precision. Equipped with cutting-edge Marzocchi forks and Öhlins rear suspension, the M1000RR offers superior handling and adaptability to various riding conditions. Its Brembo Stylema brakes provide the ultimate stopping power, giving riders confidence even in high-pressure scenarios. Technology is at the heart of this machine, with dynamic traction control, launch control, cornering ABS, and customizable riding modes, ensuring optimal safety and versatility. The vibrant 6.5-inch TFT display keeps riders informed while delivering effortless access to settings. Elegantly designed with the iconic M branding, bold graphics, and premium finishes, the M1000RR stands as a visual statement of BMW's racing heritage. Despite its track-focused nature, the ergonomics cater to both spirited rides and long journeys, blending aggression with comfort. Number 2. Aprilia RS V4 Factory. The Aprilia RS V4 Factory is a technological marvel that showcases cutting-edge engineering and a passion for performance, making it a favorite among superbike enthusiasts. At its core is a 1099 V4 engine that generates a staggering 217 horsepower and 125 newton-meters of torque, providing breathtaking acceleration and thrilling top-end speed. Its advanced chassis is built around a lightweight aluminum frame, delivering exceptional stability and razor-sharp handling on both the track and the road. The semi-active Öhlins suspension ensures maximum comfort and adaptability by automatically adjusting to various riding conditions. Equipped with Brembo Stylema brakes, the RS V4 Factory offers unparalleled stopping power, inspiring confidence during aggressive maneuvers. The bike's aerodynamics are enhanced by integrated winglets, which provide increased downforce for added stability at high speeds. A comprehensive electronics package, including Aprilia's performance ride control, cornering ABS, launch control, wheelie control, and customizable riding modes, ensures a tailored and safe riding experience. Its 5-inch TFT display keeps the rider informed with real-time data, adding to its user-friendly design. Aesthetically, the RS-V4 Factory is a masterpiece, featuring sharp lines, a muscular stance, and striking livery that emphasizes its racing DNA. Despite its track-focused nature, the ergonomics offer a blend of comfort and aggression, making it suitable for extended rides. Number 1. Ducati Panigale V4 SP2. The Ducati Panigale V4 SP2 is the epitome of superbike engineering, designed for riders who demand unparalleled performance and precision. Powered by a 11.0 3cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, it produces an extraordinary 210 horsepower and 123 Newton-meters of torque, delivering breathtaking speed and razor-sharp responsiveness. This machine is equipped with track-focused enhancements, including carbon fiber wheels that significantly reduce weight for enhanced agility and Brembo Stylema R brakes that provide remarkable stopping power under the most intense conditions. The bike's Öhlins suspension system ensures optimal handling and stability, whether navigating tight corners or dominating straightaways. Aerodynamics play a critical role in its design, featuring winglets that increase downforce for improved control at high speeds. Advanced electronics, such as Ducati Traction Control EV03, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes allow riders to customize their experience while maintaining safety and precision. The Panigale V4 SP2 boasts a 5-inch TFT display for seamless access to ride information, paired with Ducati's innovative connectivity systems. Aesthetically, it is a visual masterpiece, with matte black livery and brushed aluminum detailing that exudes sophistication. Ergonomics balance aggressive posture with rider comfort, making it suitable for extended rides and spirited track days alike. The Ducati Panigale V4 SP2 is more than a motorcycle. It's a celebration of Ducati's commitment to performance, craftsmanship, and technological innovation. That's all for the 7 most incredible motorcycles of the year. Which one would you ride? Until next time, stay safe and keep the adventure alive.